Today we talk about how can you enable recommendations notifications on your YouTube TV app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click on settings here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click on notifications here, just click on it. You come to next here, then you come to recommendations, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us that's my recommendations notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.